Hello, everybody, and you're riding with Lauke MTB Rider. And today we're gonna ride to Lauke Jharana for a Sukuti ride, a very long due ride, and eventually it's happening today. And we are riding with some of my friend and my one and only wife, and she's taking care of camera today. As we are riding to the waterfall today, I'll be giving you my review of this bike as an owner, the things I like and the things I don't like. I'm not gonna be going through all the detailed specs as you can find it on the Google. So the things I like about this bike are the headlight. I feel like these headlights are the best on the market right now, and the aesthetics. It's a very subjective thing. Some may like it, some may hate it, but I really like the rally bike style look. It has a very good road presence. Expect some heads to turn. I really like the upright posture and well-placed foot pegs. Makes the ride comfortable. The windshield. It's a blessing for a cold month and high speed. The tech. The 2025 model brings good hardware for its class, modern styling, a 5-inch TFT display, slipper clutch, a quick shifter, and dual-channel ABS, with some off-road friendly settings, giving a nice mix of practicality and performance without breaking the bank. The fuel efficiency and the touring range. On a regular ride, I've been getting a solid mileage, like 30 to 34 km on the city, and the mileage drops on the off-road if you ride hard, 27 to 29 km. And the engine. If you're coming from a 150cc engine, it won't scare you. The bike is very calm and cool. It's a very relaxed bike. And as an adventure touring bike, you can mount top box, saddlebag, and some more luggage on the tank. And the things I don't like about this bike are the rattle noise. As soon as I hit the off-road, the bike starts to make noises from the rear end, the rattling noises, the vibration from the windshield, and some places I really don't know where it's coming from. It's pretty annoying. And the suspension. Although it has 200 mm of suspension, the suspension is on the stiffer side. If you ride with a luggage or a pillion rider, the bike suspension will work how it's supposed to. But if you're riding solo, the ride feels a bit harsh. The seat cushion. The seat is on the harder side. After riding 100 km plus of off-road, it hurts so bad. My pillion riders are complaining about the hard seat, but for the riders, it's even worse, as the seat is even narrower for the rider. The vibration. Yes, there are some vibration on this bike, which is coming from windshield, seat, handlebar, and foot peg. But after first servicing, the vibration has gone down a bit. The tires. The tires are good for road and some slightly gravel off-road. It feels useless on rocky slippery terrain. The grip is very minimum for the off-road. The engine heating. Yes, the engine heats up quite a bit, but it's not very uncomfortable. In my opinion, it actually feels like a blessing for a winter season actually. The shifting is good, but on the technical terrain you might need to keep changing gears frequently, as the bike lacks a bit of a low-end torque and the engine stalls if you don't rev hard. हेलो, हामी चाहिँ बाइक छोडेर अब झर्नातिर हेल्प गर्दै यहाँ पनि तर डबल लोड सानो And here we are at Gurunggaon viral soup place. Worth the hype. This is my third time here and I will come for more. If you are on the way to Nuwakot from Gurjevanjang, this is the place.